Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change Honda Civic wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides of your car. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab and then slide the old blade either down or up, depending on your model, to detach it from the arm. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto your windshield, as this could cause damage. Gently guide it down. With the game loaded and you logged in, it is time to understand the controls. To ensure the best possible experience, consider closing any other open browser tabs or applications that might consume system resources. If you notice any lag or performance issues, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. With these simple steps, you are all set to enjoy the captivating world of Honkai Star Rail, streamed seamlessly through your web browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.